When you look at business-to-business marketing, it's really more important than consumer products marketing, because when you look at the dollar volume that's involved in business-to-business markets, it's 2/3 of what the volume is in consumer products marketing. So it's also a higher level of employment as well. If you think about the sales from the mines to the material processors, to the parts manufacturers, to the parts assemblers, those are all business-to-business transactions. And we need marketing at each of those points. Now, marketing takes a different perspective in business-to-business than it does in consumer products marketing. Marketing in business-to-business is much more about understanding the customer, treating them as an equal, and developing a relationship with them. In consumer products marketing, oftentimes it's just about advertising, trying to get people to buy our product, and then not really knowing much about them or what their needs are. We call that mass marketing. Now, the center here, the Industrial Marketing Center here at the University of Chile, is focused on helping business-to-business marketers understand their customers and then to provide marketing programs and relationship programs to work with their customers to help them solve problems. Now, a key aspect of that is developing a value proposition for the customer. So we have to understand the customer, we have to understand their operations, we have to understand how we can provide value for them in working with them. My center in Atlanta at the Georgia State University does the same kind of thing. We work with companies in the state of Georgia and actually throughout the United States. So we've developed a partnership with the Industrial Marketing Center here at the University of Chile to share and to work together on research projects. Now, currently we have 2 research projects going on. One of them is looking at the academic research in business-to-business marketing and how little has actually used Latin American databases. Most of the business-to-business marketing research has focused on English-speaking countries and data from companies in those countries. We want to know more about Latin American countries and what are in the Spanish language journals to see if it's different. It might be different. Well, business in Latin America, in South America may be quite different from what we know about the United States, the UK, Australia, and Western Europe. Now, Roberto Mora has come to visit me and to work with me in our PhD program. And so we have another study that's going on now as well, and that deals with customer experience, how important the customer experience of a business-to-business company is. We've started to collect data to form a conceptual model of how that works, and we're going to support that with our empirical study. Personally, I've also got another research project that I'm interested in, and that is the Internet of Things. How, as more and more objects are connected to the internet, like machines in a manufacturing plant, how that will change business-to-business relationships. For instance, a company called SKF has intelligent ball bearings that go into their machinery, and it provides information through the internet to the customer, to the manufacturer, and helps the manufacturer and customer coordinate. It's really another aspect or dimension of the voice of the customer. The voice of the customer is really important in business-to-business marketing because it's how the marketer, the supplier, can understand what the customer needs in the way of value and how the supplier can help improve the customer's operations. Most of the value in business-to-business marketing is based on a value in use. You know, when we think about purchasing consumer products, most of the value is psychological value. Will I look good in this new jacket? Will this car impress my friends? So a lot of the value is psychological. But when we look at business-to-business relationships and what value is to a business customer, it's oftentimes value in use. How much more productive will this make my company? How much profit, additional profit, will this bring to my company? And so as business-to-business marketers, we have to understand value to customers, value in use. We get that from the voice of the customer. More and more, The voice of the customer will also be the intelligent machines that we'll be providing to customers and how we can better serve the customers through our marketing and sales programs.